So it is a waste segregation project where we are going to segregate the three different types of waste. One is wet, one is dry, one is metal waste. This project is going to be having very social implication in the society. So because segregation of waste is very tedious job, so we are going to see that how this project is going to segregate the three different types of waste material. So starting with the thing, we are going to have the, I am going to try with the metal as a one of the waste segregation. I am keeping into the my segregation zone. So metal conveyor start running it. It will take 5 minutes, it will take 10 seconds to detect the type of waste, whether material is there or not. After 10 seconds, it will start rotating. We can see that the metal waste has been segregated successfully. Now I am going to take some dry waste. For the demonstrating it, I am taken the paper as one of the dry waste. Just I am keeping this dry waste inside my chamber. I am keeping here. We can see after 10 seconds, the segregation bin will try to rotate towards the dry waste. We can see it has been went exactly into dry waste. My dry waste has been segregated. To demonstrating the thing, I am going to try with the this is the sponge. It has been immersed in the water, so that it is a best example to demonstrate the wet waste. So I am keeping this thing into my zone. I am keeping here. Let's see that it will start rotating towards the wet waste. We can see that it has been successfully segregated into the waste bin. Thereby, this project used to segregate the three different waste. We have been using the basic aspects of our IoT concept, and we have done the segregation of the waste successfully.